Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 most efficient cordless pruning shears for perfect gardening cuts. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 30mm cordless brushless electric pruning shear tree bonsai pruner. Effortlessly trim tree branches with this cordless, brushless pruning shear. Designed for use with a Makita 18V battery, not included, it features a powerful motor and a 30mm cutting diameter for a range of pruning tasks. Advantages: powerful brushless motor ensures efficient cutting, wide 30mm cutting diameter suits thicker branches. Compatible with Makita 18V battery for versatile use. Disadvantages: battery not included. Requires an 18V battery specific to Makita tools. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Cordless electric scissors pruning shears garden pruner for Makita 18V battery. Ideal for all types of garden pruning, these cordless electric scissors offer precision and durability. Designed for use with a Makita 18V battery, it makes pruning more efficient without the hassle of cords. Advantages: brushless motor for smooth, powerful cutting, lightweight design reduces hand fatigue, reliable compatibility with Makita 18V battery. Disadvantages: no battery included, may require additional battery purchase if none available. At number 3. 16.8V brushless electric pruning shears garden tool pruner. These electric pruning shears are perfect for both light and heavy-duty gardening tasks. Compatible with Makita batteries, the tool features a 16.8V power system for seamless cutting performance. Advantages: efficient 16.8V battery system for extended use, ergonomic grip provides comfortable handling, versatile cutting for various garden tasks. Disadvantages: batteries sold separately, limited compatibility with non-Makita batteries. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Electric pruning shears for DeWalt 18V/20V max battery, 25mm cutting diameter. Designed for DeWalt battery users, these electric pruning shears offer a powerful cutting performance with a 25mm diameter. Ideal for tree pruning and thicker branches, they bring power and precision to your gardening tools. Advantages: 25mm cutting diameter for thick branches, compatible with DeWalt 18V/20V max batteries, durable build for heavy-duty gardening. Disadvantages: battery not included, limited to DeWalt 18V/20V max battery systems. At number 1. 21V cordless electric shear pruner brushless garden scissor. This 21V cordless shear offers a high-efficiency brushless motor for smooth, effortless pruning. Designed for use with Makita batteries, it's perfect for bonsai and larger pruning tasks. Advantages: high-powered 21V system for tough cuts, smooth brushless motor operation, convenient compatibility with Makita batteries. Disadvantages: battery not provided, requires specific Makita battery.